Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your biotechnology firm business. If you are in a biotechnology firm, then manually handling client requests or inquiries can take up a lot of your time. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send brochures and book appointments all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to set up this amazing chatbot, then let me show you the step-by-step process on my screen. This is the chat flow that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow for biotechnology firm business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot will respond us with, hello, welcome to BioXgen Innovative Biotechnology Solutions. We are here to answer your questions, share product details and book demos. How can we assist you today? So I'm going to choose the option that says view our products. And it will share me the list of all the products that they offer. Now the chatbot is asking me if I need help with anything else, and it has given me option to speak to support. But I'm going to choose the second option that says download brochure. And as soon as I send this message, our chatbot responds us with, here's your brochure download. And it has provided me with a downloadable brochure. I'm going to select this book demo option. And it will respond me with, let's schedule your product demo. Please share the following: product or solution name, preferred date and time, your location or time zone. So here I'm going to add a reply that provides my details. And it will respond me with, thank you, we've logged your request as product name or solution name, diagnostic test kits, preferred date and time 14th May 2025 at 3 p.m., your location or time zone New York, USA Eastern Time ET. You'll hear from us shortly. So this is the chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to create the same, then we have to sign up in our Pabbly Chatflow account. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on add WhatsApp number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like WhatsApp chatbot for biotechnology firm business. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature, under which there is an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which are going to activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short form used for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to filter specific text. To use regex, you have to use a specific format, which is this. Now this regex will safely trigger on every keyword. Either it is a short text, full paragraph, messy input, clean input, or anything. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we can also see there is an option to choose templates. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates from which you can choose your pre-existing template. Once you're done with the basic setup, now you can start curating your first message. For that, you have to access the text button from here, and here you can add your message. Once we have added our message, it will look something like this. Welcome to BioXgen Innovative Biotechnology Solutions. We are here to answer your questions, share product details and book demos. How can we assist you today? And here you can see there is an option to add buttons. With the help of add button feature, we can add some quick reply options. So here I'm going to add an option from which user can view our products. Then I'm going to add another option from which user can download brochures, and then I'm going to add my last message from which user can book a demo. Once we are done curating our first message, we are going to generate responses for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with view our products option. And for that, you have to access the text button again. And here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Our key biotechnology solutions are these. Help with anything else? Then I'm going to add an option from which the user can talk to the support system executive. So here I'm going to add speak to support. Then I'm going to add support system contact detail. Our support team is available. Contact on this number. Once we are done generating our first response, we will move on to the next, which is download brochure. And for that, you have to access this media option from here. And here you can add your media type. I'm going to select document, and here you can put your URL. Once you paste the URL, a document will automatically appear in here. Here I'm going to put a caption that says, here's your brochure download. And here I'm going to add an option to book a demo. And to book a demo, we are going to access the action type nodes and then click on the ask question button to get a question box. Here I'm going to ask for the user details to book a demo. Here I'm going to add, let's schedule your product demo. Please share the following: product or solution name, preferred date and time, your location or time zone. Here you can see there is an option to select contact custom fields. And to select contact custom fields, you need to create one first. And for that, you need to save your flow. And once your flow is updated successfully, you have to go to the settings and then select this third option that says contact custom fields. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you're done creating your contact custom fields, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to link it with both the book demo options, this one and this one. And after attaching both of the quick reply options with this question box, we can generate a confirmation message. And for that, you need to access the text button again from here. And here I'm going to add, "Thank you. We have logged your request as $add. You will hear from us shortly." Here I have added dollar next to the add because we have used add as our contact custom field. And using $sign next to it will make sure that it is replaced by the actual details sent by the user. So this is how we create a chatbot for biotechnology firm business, which will share user our product details, will give them a downloadable brochure, and will automatically book their demo all on WhatsApp itself. If you want to create a similar chatbot, you can use the same process that I have shown in this video. Once you're done creating your flow, you can save it, and once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.